Well, it's dead. Rest in peace. Yeah, you can't. We can't hang out anymore. The car's. Oh, hello, dog. Hello. Well, it's kind of dark in here, but take my word for it. There's a layer of water about this thick in the bottom. So luckily we're fine, obviously, but yeah, this is insane. Like, look at this.
Now that makes sense.
So yeah, I've never seen it this. This is crazy. Like, here, I'm in my swimming suit, of course. So let me look at this. It's up to my knees. So that dog is having way too much fun. But we got everything out, so we're safe and stuff. I just realized I included my license plate, so I'm gonna have to edit this video. Great. Yeah, you can see where the water was up to. Like, look at that. But I tried to turn the key and nothing happened. The key, in fact, when I tried to turn it, the car ate the key, so I can't recover the key. The key is stuck in there. It's right there. Where is it? Yeah, it's in there. Yeah, it's down here. Oh yeah, right there. You can see it. I can't pull it out. You can see there's still life to the car, but I tried to turn the key and nothing. I just tried to turn it. So it's dead. Rest in peace. I forget what Jonah named this car. Randall, I think. Rest in peace, Randall. You will be missed. Let's hope Samantha's car isn't next, knock on wood. So we're gonna... Oh, hello! That scared the crap out of me. Hello! Anyway, that's my night. How's your night going?